We will determine if the BAC is in quorum. The BAC chairman is absent. The BAC vice chairman is present. Mr. P. Rojas.
Present.
Luis J. Tonyo. Elsie Ariana. Hilary Stone. And Hazel Masagka. So, the BAC has a quorum. We shall now proceed in discussing the first project, 24F80043. First project is contract ID number 24F80043, construction completion of San Miguel Puraran Rizal Road, Baras Catanduanes, phase 2. Contract location, Baras Catanduanes, scope of work, construction of 974 linear meter, 0.23 meter thick PCCP and 6.10 meter width road. Approved budget for the contract is 48,998 48,998,760 pesos. Contract duration is 260 CV. A license category B. License classification region A. The cost of bidding documents is 25,000. However, the minimum work experience requirements for the key personnel are the following. The project manager, minimum years of similar experience, 5. Minimum years of total work experience, 5. The project engineer, the minimum years of similar experience is 3. The minimum years of total work experience is 3. Materials engineer, the minimum years of similar experience is 2. The minimum years of total work experience is 2. From the construction foreman, the minimum years of similar experience is 2. And the minimum years of total work experience is 2. Next. The minimum major equipment requirements are the following. Loaded trailer 1. Loaded trailer 1 unit is required. Backhoe with pavement breaker 1 unit is required. With 0.8 cubic meter minimum capacity. Dump truck 1 unit is required. With 12 cubic yard minimum capacity. Cargo truck 1 unit is required. With 9 to 10 metric tons minimum capacity. Transit mixer 1 unit is required, 5 cubic meter capacity. Water truck or stake truck with water tank, 1 unit is required. Payloader, 1 unit is required with 1.5 cubic meter capacity. Materials minimum testing equipment, DO number 11, series of 2017, inclusion of the minimum materials testing equipment in the technical component of the bid. For the laboratory equipment, strictly comply with the requirements prescribed under DO 9, series of 2012, dated February 27, and DO number 58, series of 2012, dated August 12, 2012. Also to include the requirements prescribed under DO 11, series of 2017, dated January 24, 2017. Inclusion of the minimum materials testing equipment in the technical component of the bid, and DO 127 series of 2018, strict application of RA 9184 in the conduct of post-qualification of the bidders in the on ongoing contracts with the DPWH. However, we will be issuing a bid bulletin to drop this contract from the list due to major revisions in items of work and additional items in program of work due to the approved data change request with additional work category to meet the requirements of the actual target. Engineer Masaka may discuss the details regarding the changes.
Yung changes po sa sa project is nagkaroon siya ng tatlong work category. Yung previous is only one category na construction of concrete road. Yung ngayon po is construction of concrete road, construction of road slope protection structure, and construction of drainage structure along road. This is due to the approved data change request submitted to the central office because it is a requirement para mag-suffice sa actual target of the project on site. So, yung preparation of the ABC and the BOQ will change due to yung pag-breakdown ng mga items and sa additional item work na ilalagay doon sa additional work category na nilagay na. So, yung new scope of work niya is construction of road, same 974 linear meter. Yung construction of road slope protection is 373 linear meter. Before, there's no category for slope protection. So, yung pangatlo is the construction of drainage structure along road, which is additional 974 linear meter concrete pipeline.
Okay, so please take note of those changes, but this will be dropped from the list. Next project is contract ID number 24880044. Construction and maintenance of flood control mitigation structures and drainage systems. Construction of flood control structures, Macutal River, Rizal section, Barangay Rizal, Baras, Catanduanes. Contract location is Baras, Catanduanes. Our scope of work is construction of 311 linear meter river control with steel ship piles. Approved budget for the contract is 48,248,960 pesos. Contract duration is 230 CD. License category D. License classification medium A. The cost of reading documents is 25,000. Now, for the minimum work experience requirements for the key personnel are the following: project manager. Minimum years of similar experience is 5. Minimum years of total work experience is 5. Project engineer, the minimum years of similar experience is 3. The minimum years of total work experience is 3. Materials engineer, the minimum years of similar experience is 2. The minimum years of total work experience is 2. Construction foreman, the minimum years of similar experience is 2, and the minimum years of total work experience is 2. For the minimum major equipment requirements, loaded trailer, 1 unit is required. Dump truck, 1 unit is required with 12 cubic yard minimum capacity. Backhoe, 1 unit is required with 0.8 cubic meter minimum capacity. Cargo truck, required units is 1, minimum capacity is 9 to 10 metric tons. Micro hammer, 1 unit is required. Materials minimum testing equipment, DO number 11/027. The inclusion of minimum materials testing equipment in the technical component of the bid. For the laboratory equipment, strictly comply with requirements prescribed under DO9 series of 2012, February 27, 2012, and DO58 series of 2012, dated August 12, 2012. Also to include requirements prescribed under DO11 series of 2017, dated January 24, 2017. Inclusion of the minimum materials testing equipment in the technical component of the bid, and DO127 series of 2018, strict application of RA 9184 in the conduct of post-qualification of the bidders with the delayed ongoing contracts with the DPWH. For the third project, with contract ID number 23F80 111 111, sustainable infrastructure projects alleviating gaps, access roads, and/or bridges from national roads, leading to major strategic public buildings facilities, construction of Benticayan Macutal Road, Phase 3, Benticayan Macutal Baras, Catanduanes. Contract location is Baras, Catanduanes. Our scope of work is construction of 926 linear meter, 0.23 meter thick PCCB and 6.1 meter road. Approved budget for the contract is 34,123,760. Contract duration 127 CD. License category C and D. License classification small b. Cost of bidding documents is 25,000. The minimum work experience requirements for the key personnel are the following. Project manager, minimum years of similar experience 3. Minimum years of total work experience is 3. Project engineer, minimum years of similar experience is 2. Minimum years of total work experience is 2. Materials engineer, minimum years of similar experience is 2. Minimum years of total work experience is 2. For the construction foreman, the minimum years of similar experience is 2. The minimum years of total work experience is 2. The laboratory equipment is ganito. The minimum major equipment requirements are the following. Backhoe with pavement breaker, 1 unit is required. Minimum capacity is 0.3 cubic meter. Dump truck, 12 cubic yard, 1 unit is required. With minimum capacity of 12 cubic yard. Cargo truck, required unit is 1, 9 to 10 metric tons minimum capacity. Transit mixer, 1 unit is required. Minimum capacity is 5 cubic meter. Water truck or skate truck with water tank, required unit is 1. Materials minimum testing equipment, DO number 11, series of 2017. Inclusion of the minimum materials testing equipment in the technical component of the bid. For the laboratory equipment, strictly comply the requirements prescribed under DO 9 series of 2012, February 27, 2012, and DO number 58, series of 2012, dated August 12, 2012, also to include the requirements prescribed under DO number 11, series of 2017, dated January 24, 2017. Inclusion of the minimum materials testing equipment, the technical component of the bid, and DO number 127, series of 2018, strict application of RE 9184 in the conduct of post-qualification of bidders to relate ongoing contracts in the DPWH. The contractors or applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works (CWA) at the DPWH Procurement Service for the PRS. 5th floor, DPWH building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila. While those already enrolled shall keep their records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on this project will be determined using the DPWH contractor's profile eligibility process for the CPEP and subject to further post-qualification. Information and registration can be obtained from the PRS during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass-or-fail criterion as specified in the 2016 revised implementing rules and regulations, BIR of the Republic Act 9184, RT 9184, otherwise known as the Government Procurement Act. The contract shall be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder or the LCRD who was determined as such during post-qualification. Interested bidders may obtain further information on from the DPWH Catanduanes DEO Procurement Unit Office and inspect the bidding documents at San Isidro Village, Catanduanes during weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders on March 14, 2024 to April 4, 2024. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the DPWH from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or the PGEPS, www.pdjeps.gov.ph, and the website of the procuring entity, www.dpwh.gov.ph, provided that the bidder shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of their bids. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically or online. However, bidders should only select the mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the EDS. Bids must be duly received by the Back Secretariat at DPWH Catanduanes District Engineer Office and Isidro Village, Catanduanes for manual submission or at electronic bids _Catanduanes at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before April 4, 2024 until 10 a.m. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the applicable forms and in the amount stated in the ITB Clause 15. Bid opening shall be on April 4 at 10 a.m. at Back Office, DPWH Catanduanes District Engineering Office, San Isidro Village, Catanduanes. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidders' representative who choose to attend at the address above. If bids shall not be accepted. You may view the bid opening at the YouTube channel DPWH Catanduanes DEO Procurement Livestream. So, any questions, po? There being none, this meeting is adjourned. Time check. 2:55. 1:55. Sorry. So,